You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply.
Okay, so y'all, I'm getting ready to do, it's not raining today. It was raining on yesterday, and I was going to do my empty apartment tour on yesterday, but it was raining. So today the sun is like vibrantly shining, like, ugh. So I'm gonna go home, then I'm gonna go get Kevin so he can, film me, because I can't do it on my own. And then I called my mama, and she sounded like she was asleep, so I didn't want to wake her up. Kevin is asleep, but I don't mind waking him up. So yeah, I'm headed to the house, but I'm headed home right now. These people cannot drive. I'm trying to get home in one piece, but it always seems like after 5 is when people's brain just shut down and act like they can't drive anymore. So yeah, I'm trying to make it home in one piece, and then I'm gonna go pick him up. Then we're gonna get the empty apartment tour together. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I didn't even know what I was gonna post for Saturday, because I haven't been filming because I've been packing. So I actually had packed my camera up and stuff, but I had to get it back out because I knew one of you guys asked me to do an empty apartment tour. So I said that I was going to get my camera back out and do that. I did, however, pack my microphone down somewhere that I cannot find it. So that's the tea with that. So I'm not gonna be able, the sound may be trash, but I am gonna get it out there to you guys today. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm literally just getting off work. I look a hot mess, so don't y'all judge me. Don't judge me. Like, I'm doing this for y'all. Give me some points for looking a hot mess, going out here in this scorching hot sun to go do this empty apartment tour. Okay. Why do I look so bright? I don't know why. Like, I did not get as tan as I normally would get in the summertime this time around. So yeah, I will see you guys when I get to the apartment. Next thing you guys will be seeing is me giving you all the tour. So, alright, y'all. So y'all, look, my camera, hopefully y'all stay up there a little bit. So y'all, Kevin decided that he didn't want to wake up, so I had to come to my mama's house to get my little brother. So my little brother is going to help me film the apartments or whatever. So my little brother is coming to help me. He asked me, was he gonna be in the video? I might let him do part of the tour, so we make it a little bit funny, or whatever. But he's getting ready to come now. Like, you gotta put him to work, honey. You gotta put the babies to work, and that's what I'm doing. Ain't no gas in the car. Don't be doing me. I'm recording.
Oh,
doing me. Thomas, ain't no gas in the car. I put gas in him to go to work and to get home. Grab my camera so it won't fall, cause it ain't gonna stay up. I need to give me one of them.
Put on you?
Say hey.
That's on my face.
You don't want them to see your face?
I just can't do it like that. Make you turn for you.
Yeah, it gonna be on me. You gonna turn the camera. Okay, y'all, so we are finally at the apartment and we're about to do the tour. I've never done one of these, so y'all gonna have to bear with me, cause yeah, y'all just gonna have to bear with me. Yeah, we are all the way in the back of the apartment, so we're not at the front of the apartment, we at the back. So yeah, so let's get on, Bryce. You gotta get on now. Turn on some lights. Okay, so this is, we're gonna start here. All right, this is a walkway. I don't know which way this is taking me, because I don't know how this apartment is supposed to be going. Ain't no light right here, y'all. So, what is this right here? All right, this is a closet. So, this is probably gonna be where I'm gonna put all my towels and stuff. I got a lot of clothes, so you're gonna have to see what that gonna look like. Like I said, this is one of the bedrooms. This look like the smallest bedroom, so this may be the guest bedroom. It's pretty decent size. And this is the closet. This is a small closet, but it's just gonna be a guest closet. It's just gonna be like the guest bedroom. So part of my clothes, back around here, part of my clothes are probably gonna be put up in there. I need to figure out how I want to decorate the guest bedroom, so we'll figure that out. Okay, and we have a bathroom. I know it's 2 lights up in here, cause where's the light? Oh, more light. Okay, so we do have more light. This is a nice little quaint bathroom. Of course, I'm gonna have to Lysol everything down. This is kind of spacious. I like, this is a decent size bathroom. Ooh, I like this mirror. I like this mirror. Let's move on. We have more closet. Got more light. This is gonna be the master's bedroom because this one is much bigger than that other one. This is the back. We got 2 bathrooms. Good. That way we won't be having to fight over the shower or the toilet. So this is good. Only thing I don't like this, I don't like the fact that the closet is right here where the bathroom is. And this closet is not big enough for all my clothes. But I like the fact that they got this right here because that way I can separate my jeans and all of that good stuff. Turn off all these lights. Be using up my lights. Got my white bill going up. Now let's go on. Now we are in the kitchen. We are in the kitchen. It's a nice little kitchen, more room than I had at my old apartments. So I have more space and I have more cabinet space because I didn't have much cabinet space in the old apartment. So this is good. Got plenty cabinet rooms. Then got another, we got a pantry. Something, what the heck is this? What the hell is this for? Got a pantry for like all my box foods and all that kind of stuff. We got some more cabinets above the stove. The stove, is this electric? It better be electric. Okay, the stove is electric. Cause you know, baby, you gotta get with the times and I need an electric stove. The refrigerator I thought would be a bit more upscale, but y'all, Mississippi ain't that upscale like other places, so we gotta get what we can take. And these are some of the nicer apartments that you have around here where I'm from. So, and what the hell it is?
The living room.
Oh, this the same bedroom. No, what?
This is the living room.
Ain't no way.
Oh no.
This the what it is? Okay, this is too much space. This is the dining room. Cause you have the kitchen, this is the dining room.
I know the guest thing.
No, the dining room, this is where I'm gonna have my table and stuff in. Okay, so yeah, this is nice. This is the dining room. Doesn't have lighting in here.
This is the.
It do. You have a light?
I think so.
Y'all see that? You gotta press this to have the lights. Let's move on. Let's move on. Now this is the living room. This is the living room. Okay, this is much different than the apartment that we, the Tesla apartment that they had, the one that you could see like the floor model. This is different from it. I like the fact that they have a lot of blinds because that'll give me a lot of lighting, because I like to use natural lighting along with my lighting for my videos. So this is good. But I'm gonna have to.
Dark.
It's dark. It'll be alright. I'm filming this while the sun is going down. So if I'm dark, y'all bear with it. But yeah, it's gonna be good for when it's like really light outside. Now to my favorite room in this entire house. This is the room that made me want this apartment. This is my office room. This is actually called a sun room because this is where all the sun is going to be coming down. And you say I have windows right. I have a window right here, and then I have the patio right there. So all that light is going to be coming up in here, and this is going to be my office space. This sunroom is my office space. We have this patio here. This is where we're gonna put our grill and stuff out here. But yeah, we're gonna have our little grill and stuff out here, doing a little cooking and stuff, a little bit of cooking and stuff. And that's it. That was this apartment tour. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Look, I did that so hard. I don't want to break the blind, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. I mean, you know, it's a little some for a little some. Better than where we staying right now, but you know, once we put our furniture and stuff up in here, it's gonna look better. It's gonna look more homey, and you're gonna feel it. I'm kind of gothic, y'all, so it's gonna be dark and gloomy, so y'all might not want to feel it. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated, and I'm gutter.